Emerson's Ashland ceiling fan is a new take on a traditional favorite, with every detail thoughtfully crafted to make it the perfect complement to any decor style. This 5-bladed fan spans 52 inches and includes an elegant removable opal matte light fixture for added ambiance, or use the included no-light switch cup for a stylish solution in rooms where no additional light is needed. The Ashland comes in 3 finishes. Choose from brushed steel with reversible walnut or dark cherry blades, oil-rubbed bronze with reversible walnut or dark cherry blades, or satin white with reversible satin white or maple blades. This fan includes a 4.5-inch downrod and is also dual-mount adaptable for greater clearance on lower ceilings. A pull chain allows for easy speed and light operation. The Ashland may be installed on standard ceilings, low ceilings with a close-to-the-ceiling mount, or be paired with a kit for installation on sloped ceilings. Enjoy flexible styling at an economical price point with the Ashland ceiling fan.